welcome to EduBridge IAS. Today we are going to talk about Golden Visa System of UAE. This topic is important for the prelims examination and also for GS paper 2, and in that India UAE relations. Before we move forward, if you are preparing for UPSC and your optional is history or political science and international relations, we are bringing up optional course for both these subjects for UPSC 2022 and 2023. History will be taken up by Vishal Singh sir, and political science and international relations will be taken by Nitish sir. In these two courses, holistic coverage of both the static, basic and advanced level will be provided. Comprehensive coverage of theoretical and functional aspects will be provided. Live classes will be provided. Daily practice questions will be provided. Comprehensive coverage of previous year's questions will be provided. Comprehensive notes will be provided. Answer writing and discussion will be held regularly. The duration of both the courses is 3.5 months. This can go up to 4 months based on the dynamic aspects. The course for history optional is starting from 15th of June, and for political science it is starting from 1st of June. Demo classes will also be available. If you have any doubt whether to choose history as an optional or political science as an optional, you can join these demo classes and seek guidance from Vishal sir or Nitish sir to guide you properly. You can visit our website www.edubridgeias.com to enroll for these courses. You can contact these two numbers if you have any doubt. The fees for these courses is 30,000 rupees only, and this is a discounted price which is available for history till 14th of June, and for political science it is available up to 31st of May. If you want to know the method of our teaching, you can watch this video on this link. In this video, Nitish sir has explained the various type of bills in a very simplest and hilarious way. Before we move forward for our discussion on Golden Visa, let us have a look at map of UAE. This is important for your prelims examination. Direct questions can be asked on various locations around the UAE. This is Oman here, this is Saudi Arabia, this is UAE, ये यहाँ पे कतर या बहरीन, this is Persian Gulf, this is Gulf of Oman, this is Strait of Hormuz. यहाँ पे छोटा सा ये ओमान भी है, ओमान का ये पार्ट भी है और ये पार्ट भी है, यहाँ पे ऊपर ईरान. तो अभी गोल्डन वीज़ा का क्या वीज़ा सिस्टम का क्या कॉन्टेक्स्ट है कि कॉन्टेक्स्ट ये है कि संजय दत्त को यूएई ने गोल्डन वीज़ा प्रोवाइड किया है. ये व्हाट इज़ दिस गोल्डन वीज़ा सिस्टम? इट इज़ अ न्यू सिस्टम ऑफ यूएई फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म रेजिडेंस to expatriates, foreigners who can live, work and study in UAE without the need of a national sponsor and with 100% ownership of their business. So what does this golden visa system provides? It provides long term residency. इसमें दो टाइप के वीज़ा प्रोवाइड किए जा रहे हैं, एक है 5 साल का, एक है 10 साल का. टू द पीपल हु आर बिलोंगिंग टू द फॉलोइंग ग्रुप्स. कौन कौन है? इन्वेस्टर्स, एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, इंडिविजुअल विद आउटस्टैंडिंग टैलेंट्स एंड सच एज रिसर्चर्स, मेडिकल प्रोफेशनल्स एंड दोज हु आर विद इन द साइंटिफिक एंड नॉलेज फील्ड. इसके साथ ही रिमार्केबल स्टूडेंट्स विल ऑल्सो बी प्रोवाइडेड golden visa system benefit under golden visa system. The main benefit of this golden visa system is to provide security किस बात की? Security about their future. UAE government has specifically made it clear that their future will be secure here. इसके साथ ही यूएई गवर्नमेंट हैज़ ऑल्सो अप्रूव्ड amendment to its residency laws. Under these amended residency laws, foreign university students can bring their families with them to UAE जब तक कि वो अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं और उनके पास इस सब को सपोर्ट करने के लिए फाइनेंशियल मींस अवेलेबल हों। तो इस सब का इंडिया के लिए क्या सिग्निफिकेंस है? वी नो दैट इंडिया का सर्विस सेक्टर इज़ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, so India can provide services through Indian professionals and businessmen to UAE. It will also facilitate the return of Indians जो कि पहले वहाँ रह रहे थे, so they can resume their work in UAE after because of the COVID-19 related restrictions they had to move to India, but now they can return to UAE. So this was today's topic. We hope that you would have a comprehensive and better understanding of the topic. You can join our Telegram channel at edubridge_IAS to get the PDF of this discussion. Also, you can attempt daily quiz and you will get regular update of our other activities on our Telegram channel. Thank you very much.